Hello and Håfa. I'm Joe Guam, and I'm sitting right here in my front porch on the island of Guam, just hoping that all of you guys out there are hanging in there during this challenging time. My wife, my daughter, and I, we wrote this song, and we wanted to share it with you guys just in hopes that it'll bring some good vibes and positive spirit, you know? Here's a song called Day by Day, everybody. We hope you enjoy it. Times have changed and things are strange and we are so confused. Lives matter, but some are forced to choose. But keep your head up, pull your heart out. Yeah, we gotta believe that if we stand together, we'll make it through anything. It'll be okay if we're living for each other. Take it day by day. Our color doesn't matter. It's bigger than you and greater than me. We're doing this for humanity. Put your faith in one another. We'll find a way. Don't give up, give it your best. It's okay to be afraid. Our lives have changed so much since yesterday. We can do our part to fill our hearts with love and happiness. The sun will always rise and shine again. It'll be okay if we're living for each other. Take it day by day. Our color doesn't matter. It's bigger than you and greater than me. We're doing this for humanity. Put your faith in one another. We'll be okay. Okay, if we're living for each other, take it day by day. Our color doesn't matter. It's bigger than you and greater than me. We're doing this for humanity. Put your faith in one another. We'll find a way. It's bigger than you and greater than me. Doing this for humanity. Put your faith in one another. We'll find a way. It's bigger than you and greater than me. We're doing this for humanity. Put your faith in one another. We'll find a way. Blessings to you all out there. Håfa.